Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today in this video we are discussing the example how to add the fraction. So in this video we will discuss step by step. Number 1, question 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. So this is the example of adding fraction. So how to add? First of all we solve the number 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. So here we first find the LCM 2 and 3. So here we choose the any number least common multiple LCM. So 2 and 3. We choose any number on those number 2 table going and 3 table going. So here we choose the 6 number 2 table on 6 3 times and 3 multiply 1 and plus 3 table on 6 2 times 2 multiply 1. So here we write the 3. Here we write the 3 plus 2 divided by 6. So 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 is final answer of this question. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. And now second question is 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 6. Our second question is 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 6. So here we first we find the LCM least common multiple. So here we choose any number on that number 4 table going and 6 table going. So here we choose the 12 because on 12 4 table 3 times 3 multiply 1 plus 6 table on 12 is 2 times 2 multiply 2. So here we write 3 multiply 1 is 3. 3 multiply 1 is 3 plus 2 multiply 2 is 4 divided by 12. So 7 upon 12 is final answer of this question. 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 6. Now we are discussing number third. When we get the 3 fraction 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 12. So how to solve? We write here 3 number question. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video how to subtract the fraction. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 12. 2 upon 12. So in this example, first we check which number we take the LCM. So here we take the LCM to 12 because on 12 4 table going 3 times and 2 table going on 6 times on 12. So here 2 table on 12 6 times and 6 multiply 1 plus 7 4 table on 12 3 times 3 multiply 3 plus 12 table on 12 is 1 time and 1 multiply 2. Here we write 6 multiply 1 is 6 plus 3 multiply 3 is 9 plus 2. So here divided by 12. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 upon 12. This is the final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.